Imagine this. Your phone doesn't just wait for commands, it predicts what you need next, proactively helping you before you even ask. Sounds like the future, right? But Samsung is making it real with the Galaxy S26 series. Stick around till the end, because I'm revealing 6 exclusive Galaxy AI features that will change how you use your phone every single day, and one of them might just save you from those embarrassing scam calls. What's up, guys? Sal here. We've already dissected the Galaxy S26 Ultra's hardware leaks, but Samsung's real magic happens in software. Even with the One UI 8.5 beta rolling out, they're deliberately hiding the best AI upgrades to make the S26 lineup irresistible at launch. Today, I'm breaking down 6 new Galaxy AI features debuting exclusively on the Galaxy S26 series. Let's dive in. The star of the show is Now Nudges, Samsung's smart, proactive assistant that's basically their take on Google's Magic Queue from the Pixel 10. Instead of you hunting for help, your phone analyzes what's on screen and nudges you with timely suggestions, all processed on device for speed and privacy. Samsung splits Now Nudges into 3 clever categories. Recall important info. Contextual nudges, it remembers key details from screenshots, notes, or messages and resurfaces them exactly when relevant. For example, if you screenshot a flight booking earlier, opening a travel app automatically pulls it up, no digging required. Fill out forms easily. Autofill nudges smarter than standard autofill. It recognizes repetitive forms across apps and sites, offering to complete them securely with your data, biometrics verified. Get things done quickly. Action nudges, it anticipates your next move. Get a shared location in chat? It suggests opening maps. Spot a date in a message? It offers to add it to calendar. Practical, time-saving stuff. Sure, it mirrors Magic Queue, but Samsung nails the execution, making your phone feel truly intelligent without gimmicks. Next, advanced text-to-image in Photo Assist. Building on the Z Fold 7's early version, this lets you edit photos with simple text prompts. Describe additions, removals, or changes, and Galaxy AI handles it. You can even extract elements from one gallery photo and seamlessly blend them into another, like adding a yarn ball to a cat pic so it looks like they're playing. It's intuitive, baked right into the Gallery app, and rivals Google's tools. Then there's the 3D parallax lock screen effect. Turns static wallpapers into dynamic, depth-filled scenes with subtle motion. Leaked videos show it in action. Clean, immersive, and a fresh way to personalize your lock screen. Feature 4. Notification Summary. Get a concise, AI-generated recap of your last 24 hours notifications. Crucially, it's processed entirely on device for maximum privacy, no cloud uploads. 5th, AI scam detection during calls. Similar to Google's, it analyzes tone and patterns in real time to flag potential fraud. Initially possibly limited to certain regions like Korea, but it's a lifesaver, especially for vulnerable users. Finally, privacy protection for shared images. Before sending a photo, AI auto-detects sensitive info, like addresses or IDs, and lets you blur, pixelate, or redact it. Compare original versus edited side by side for peace of mind. These 6 features are Samsung's quiet power play, reserved for the S26 series initially to drive upgrades. On-device processing means older phones like pre-2024 models might miss out or get watered-down versions. Newer ones like the S25 or Z Fold 7. They'll likely get most eventually. As we near the January unveiling, expect more leaks. If you're eyeing upgrades, deals on current flagships are popping. Check descriptions for links. Want deeper S26 Ultra leaks? Tap here for my next video. See you there.